Hello, everyone. My name is Odru Asante, and I'm a doctoral research fellow at the Department of Government, University of Bergen. Today, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process by which you can also apply for Australian government fully funded scholarship. The scholarship package is for both undergraduate and also graduate level. It covers full tuition, accommodation expenses, living expenses, health insurance, and also flight ticket to Australia. If this is something that you are interested in, please don't forget to like our YouTube channel, also subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So to be able to apply for this Australian awards scholarship, which is fully funded, you type Australia Awards Scholarship in Google search, and you will get all the relevant information. Once you type that, the first one that comes with Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, you click on that. Then it takes you to the official website of the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade Australian government. And here you get all the relevant information of the scholarship. So you have here that it is a scholarship for students from developing countries, particularly those located in the Indo-Pacific, to undertake full-time undergraduate and postgraduate studies in participating institutions. Very important. These are some of the benefits: full tuition fees, return ticket or air ticket to Australia and from Australia, establishment allowance, contribution to living expenses, introductory academic program, so health insurance. So there are so many benefits that comes along with this scholarship. Then also there is this condition that you have to take note of, that scholars are required to leave Australia for a minimum of 2 years. So when you are an awardee of this scholarship, after your studies, you have to leave Australia for 2 years before you can come back to the country. If you failure to do that, means that you have to pay back the money if you want to continue to stay in Australia. Now, take note of that. We have participating countries, and then we also have opening dates, participating institutions. So we have institutions who are members or who qualify to participate in this award scheme. Let's see here. The next important thing is participating countries. So you have countries from Asia, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Pakistan, all these countries from Asia, you can apply. And then you also have Pacific, you have Middle East. In Africa, you have countries like Algeria, Botswana, Congo, Egypt, Ethiopia, Ghana is also here. Kenya, Nigeria is also part of it. So many countries, Zambia, Zimbabwe, all these countries, if you are from any of these, you still qualify to apply for the scholarship. Note that there is eligibility criteria. So if you click here, there is a handbook that is specific for countries in Africa, so that you get to know what is required of you. So if we click on that, let's click on that quickly, and then we can go through some of them. One, priority fields includes climate change, agriculture, food and security, mining, energy, foreign policy, and international security. If you are applying for studies within this area, you are prioritized relative to those from other fields, which means that you are number one. You are ranked higher than those from other fields. In Africa, or if you are from Africa, you can only apply for master's degree, which means you should have done your bachelor's degree. What are the eligibility criteria? One, you have to be a citizen of the countries mentioned. English language proficiency requirement, very important. You have to have IELTS or TOEFL. However, there are exemptions. If your undergraduate study was in English language, then you don't need IELTS or TOEFL. So those from Ghana, Nigeria, Liberia, South Africa, or any of these countries where English is your lingua franca, you don't need this proficiency requirement. You already satisfied with that. But if you are not from any of these countries, but you have studied in Australia, UK, USA, Canada, New Zealand, South Africa, or Republic of Ireland, you are also exempted from the IELTS and TOEFL requirement. Application days, 1st of February to 1st of May. So if you want to apply, you have to do it now. And then from Africa, you can also apply online and also provide the necessary documents online. Okay, so now let's move on to the next step of, now that we know the participating countries and we also know the closing date of it, but there is one important information I want to quickly show you here. At your extreme left here, now once you click opening and closing dates, you come to this site where you have contact person here. So if you have any inquiries regarding the application procedure, eligibility criteria, or there is information in the handbook you don't understand, you need an answer to that, you can send an email to the contact person for your country. So for Africa, you send to this email address. For Bangladesh, this email address, it follows in that order. Now, the next thing that we need to do is how to apply. Come to the page again. At your extreme left, you can click on how to apply. And then we are at this page. First thing is that first you have to know the opening and closing date, which we have done that. You have to know the participating countries, whether your country qualifies. We have done that. And then also you have to read the handbook. Very important. The handbook provides information on general eligibility criteria and conditions that are attached to the scholarship. We will not have time to read through the handbook, but I believe you can be able to click on this. And when you click on that, you have it in PDF or in Word file. You can open and read it yourself. Now, we know that you can apply online and you can apply by mail. Please take note. You must check your country and see whether you qualify to apply by mail or online. Those from Africa, we know that we can apply online and submit the necessary documents. So you just click on online Australia scholarships information. Once you click on this, it takes you to the portal where you can register and upload your documents. Now, here at your extreme left, we have log on and then we have register. Now, when you click on this, you see that here at the left side are those who have already registered and want to log on. At the right side are those who are going to register for the first time. So you click register new account. Now, when you click on register new account, you have this information that you can enter so that you can register new account. Now, when you register new account, then you have the opportunity to fill the necessary information that is required of you. Let's come here. I will show you quickly some of the necessary information in the application portal. Okay, so once you register and you go into the portal, these are the information that you will get. That you need to provide: personal details, contact details, spouse details, children's details. If you are married and you have children, you provide this information. One of them that is very important for us today is proposed study program. You should be able to know where in Australia can I get my master degree, and is my master degree even part of the participating country? I mean, the university, is it part of the participating country? It's very important. So how do I identify universities in Australia where my master is being undertaken? For example, I want to do a master in business administration. So what do I do? You can go to a website here. The website is called CRI-Course. You can just type CRI-Course in your Google search. I will also provide a link at the description so you can be able to access that. You just type CRI-Course in your Google search, Click on that here, the first one, and here it brings you to Australian Government Department of Education. Click on course search, and here which state or which area in Australia would you want to undertake your master? Is it the southern part of Australia? Okay, let's say that southern part of Australia. Course name, business administration. Course type, maybe master degree coursework. And then which broad field? Maybe we can talk about management and commerce. Then after that, I can click on start search. And so you see that you have a whole lot of about 39 courses were found, as is written here. 39 courses were found based on our criteria. Now, I'm repeating that make sure the institution that you will choose is within the participating institution. So let's say that we have University of South Australia. Assuming it is part of it, you click on that. Now, this information will be relevant when you are filling the application portal where it talks about your proposed study program. You should know the course name, and then you should also know the CRI course number. There will be more information that will be required of you. You can get all those information from here once you click on your program that you want to do. So once again, CRI course, click on enter the necessary information, click on the course in an institution that is a participating institution, and then you will get all the necessary information to fill at your proposed study program. I believe that this has been very helpful to you. Please don't forget to share the information with other people who may be looking for opportunities like this. If this has been helpful, please remember to like our YouTube page, subscribe to the page, share it with other people. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first to receive it.